Hey guys, we are working on the second page, and I think we're going to do both the front and the back of the second page because they're both super simple, I think. So this is using the Remnants Lovely Layers printable mini album template, and this is Prima Lavender paper. Looks like this. And I had designed this mini album for MadeItCon, so this is the finished mini album. And just as a reminder, I am filming these. This is the first week of March. I don't know when you're going to see them, but I am filming these so really early. I wanted to film them now to make sure that I have everything I need for their kits and to make sure that everything is correct. So, and we're not going to be able to get to it all during class, so I wanted to make sure that they had a video reference somewhere down the line. And so these videos should be coming back to back. One a day. I'm hoping that's what's going to happen. We might have to skip a day here or there, but anyways. So, as usual, my links to my Etsy shop for the printable templates and the build embellishments will be in the description box below, as well as the products. There are I think three links below that are, one's an Amazon list, 2 products that I use, and the other one is 2 different scrapbooking stores. So, you should be able to find that below, and also there will be a link to the playlist for the Remnants Lovely Layers printable mini album templates. So for this page, we're not actually going to start with a whole full page from the templates. We are actually going to use the other part of this page. So this is the back side here, so it's the flip down part. So we're going to use this page, and we're going to make a side pocket. A side loading pocket is what we're going to do. So, let's see. Alright, so I'm going to get my paper trimmer out. And like I said, we're going to do a side loading pocket, so it's going to be this way. So we don't need this tab. You know what I'm going to do real quick? I'm going to go ahead and trim. This is a Fiskars Precision paper trimmer. I'm going to go ahead and trim this belly band off. I lost track of what I was saying. My card got full. This is my 4th video today that I'm filming. So, I think I was just talking about how sometimes with these smaller pieces, it's harder to cut them down once they're away from the larger piece of paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that where it needs to be. So we're going to cut this tab off. Well, first, let's cut this piece off here and put this back in our scrap pile. So cool. Or let's just keep it there for now. Alright, so let's cut this long tab off on this side because it's going to be a side loading pocket like that. And then I'm going to cut this extra tab over here off. Like that. So now we just want to miter the corners. These are Tim Holtz tonic little mini scissors. I'm finally starting to get used to them. Whoops, I just pulled some of that rose gold off of there. So we got those mitered. Then I'm going to get my scoreboard out. This is an EK Tools scoreboard and a stylus. So we're going to go ahead and score all 3 of these. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and prep those score marks. We're going to go ahead and burnish them. And this is a Teflon bone folder. And let's ink it up. So now we're going to ink this up with Distress Oxide and Walnut Stain. And I'm going to just quickly ink it up because it's already got the inked edges. I just want to make sure that I got all the white that might be showing off of there. Super fast. So now we're going to put tape. We're going to use score tape. Oh my, something's falling. we're going to use some score tape on all 3 of these tabs. Like that. Alright, so now we're going to flip it over and we're going to attach the long tab to the short tabs here. Just like that. And then we're going to remove the tape backing off all 3 sides. Alright, so now we're going to add it to, this is the front of page 2. So we're going to match a corner up here. We're going to try to anyway. Match them up. And then we're going to, it looks like I'm going to be overlapping on the edge, but that's okay. I am. Look at there. See that? Not a big deal, because watch. All gone. All better. Okay. So now we got that. And what I want to do is I'm going to take one of these rusted bulldog clips here, and I'm going to attach it to the top of this page like this, and use it as like a clipboard type thing. So what I'm going to use to attach it is, this is a Fabri-Tac Beacon, and we're going to have to give it a minute to dry before we mess with it. But I just think this is so cute. I did it in my prototype and I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work, but it did, and it's adorable. Okay, hopefully I've already done the video where I show you how I rusted everything. So I'm just gonna try to find the center, and I'm gonna have it sticking up from the top here, maybe not so far down. Right, so I'm just gonna, yeah, it's gonna take a minute to tack. There's no doubt about that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the Build Embellishments tag that's gonna be stuck under there, which is this one right here. It's in my Build Embellishment set 4. So I'm just going to quickly trim this out and ink it up on both sides. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with my scissors. Not trying to be precise. Okay, so I've got it inked up on both sides, and that's just going to go underneath that clip there. So it's just going to be like a removable tag. So while that's still drying, I think on the back side of here, I think I'm just going to do another paperclip situation, sort of, with some Build Embellishments and some stuff. So let's see. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to score it down the middle, and then I'm just going to cut it out together. Like I'm going to do this, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my scissors, and again, I'm going to go wiggle, wiggle. Because I'm going to ink it anyway. And so, let's just go ahead and wiggle that around. Oh, look at how bad I did. I didn't even score it down the middle. Good night, Jennifer. That's okay. Oh well. You know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ink it. So it's not even going to matter. Not even. It's gone. Bam. Love it. The ink is so awesome for that, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to ink both sides of this. And then let's make a cool little paper clip. Yep. Alright, I've got that inked up on both sides. But I want to make a cute little paper clip. I'm going to get the smaller, one of the smaller rusted paper clips. I think that's what I'm going to use. And then I also want to use, we haven't used this page yet, but I want to use these little flags from page 14. So I'm just going to cut them off of this page. Even though we haven't got to this page yet, I want those flags. So we're going to use them. Be careful. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a couple of these flags. I think I'll use the two bigger ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off that top part. And, whoa, almost got off there. Then I'm going to separate these. I'm going to put this one over here in my embellishments. And then let me do these little fishtail cuts here. I'm not even holding my scissors the right way. Okay. And then I think I'm just going to use one of these embellishment pieces from the embellishment pack. So I'm going to ink these up. I don't know why I'm inking up the back. Oh, because it's a removable paper clip. That's why I'm inking up the back side. Okay, I'm going to ink these two pieces up. I'm going to do front and back. So what I'm thinking is having these two pieces kind of like this, and we're going to attach the paper clip, or wrong way. We're going to put these through the paper clip on the long part, the long full part. Oh wait, I might be doing this wrong. I need to have it go this way. No, I don't. I need it to go this way. Yep, because it's going to be attached to the back side there. All right, so I'm just going to slide those in there so it kind of looks like that. It's not going to focus. I don't know what I was trying to. There we go. So you see the long piece, it's tucked in between the long piece and the little short piece. So then I am going to fold this over the paper clip like that. I'm going to ink that up real quick. And I'm going to use my stapler, my tiny attacher. This is a Tim Holtz Ideology tiny attacher. And I'm just going to put one staple right there. No glue required for that. So now it's securely on there. And then this, I'm just going to cover, let's see, how do I want to do this? Cover that staple for one. So I'm just going to go like that. So I'm just going to glue it. At least I think that's what I want to do. Like that. Alright, so now we need to let that dry a minute. Let's check on... Oh, you know what? We can even like flip up these little tails a little bit, just a little bit. Just to give it some more texture. Well, if I can get a hold of it, we will. There. That's so cute. Alright, let's check on our clip. Okay, it's doing pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in here. It doesn't even have to be perfect. It's so cute. You know how many things you could tuck in there like that? I just love this idea. I just love it, love it, love it. All right, so this side, what I was thinking is we could just tuck this under the paper clip. So let's put the paper clip on. I hope it's dry. Oops. This might take some doing here. Hold tight. There we go. Got it. So I just thought I'd put the paper clip there, right? And then we could just tuck this under there like that. So that could be like a little journaling spot as well. Let me angle that just a little better. And so just as simple as that. I dig it. All right, now let's do the side pocket insert. real quick. So I'm going to need the asad pocket insert template. So it's going to go there. So I need that. And then I also need to pick, I'm going to use from the covers. I'm going to use this piece from the covers as the side pocket insert. So, no, let's go this way. It's just kind of a collage back there, so it's not going to matter if it actually has a direction. I do have the right one, don't I? Yes. I need to put, I haven't wrote on these yet. I need to write what they are so that I don't get confused. We're going to go ahead and trace around this. And then I think I want a tag too. A tag. Let's use this paper. And let's trace one of these tags out onto it. Let's do that one. So this was from, you know, that one page where I had the 3 tags. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this on here and trace this out. Alright, I'm going to cut both of these out, ink them up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I got both pieces. Inked up. Now I'm going to put a whole reinforcement sticker. I think I'm going to use this color here on this side. And then punch a hole. And then I'll flip it over, and I think I'll use the purple on the back side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. I'm going to use another clip. I'm going to use one of the rose gold ones. See, I'm trying to break up that, you know, even though it's going to be in a pocket, I just kind of want to, I don't know, soften it a little bit. So I'm going to use one of those little clips, and this is a piece from the embellishment pack. I'm going to ink this up. I'm not going to glue it down. I just think it might be cute as a pull. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this, how am I going to do this? I'm going to stick this on the edge here, right? And then I'm going to stick this in here, I think. I think that's how I want to do it. Or do I want it this way? There we go. Let's try that. And then I can stick that underneath this part here. Right? And it's more secure than you think, I think. I think. So that just might be cute as a pull, and we might have to glue the little ephemera piece to the clip. But I think that's cute. So this is the side pocket insert for page number 2. And you see how that sticks out just a little bit? That way we can pull it out. So there. So there's our little clipboard, and then our paper clip with a little tuck. I like it. I like it. So that's all we're going to do for this page, you guys. That is all we're going to do. So we did second page, the front and the back. So that's fantastic. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And go ahead and hit this button right here if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. And here is a link to my shop if you're interested in the templates or the build embellishments. And you might like some of the other videos that you see on the screen. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.